Ishwaraha. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very happy Teachers' Day to all our Gurus present here. A very good morning to our beloved Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, dear coordinators, teachers and all of my friends. Today we gather here not just for an event, but for the celebration of the heartbeat of every school, our teachers.
Yes, a teacher is not just someone who teaches us subjects, but one who touches lives, inspires dreams, and silently sows the seeds of greatness. On this special occasion, let us unfold a bouquet of gratitude, love, and respect for all our gurus.
Dear teachers, we are what we are today because you believed in us, guided us, and stood beside us with patience and kindness.
With folded hands and grateful hearts, we begin the celebration dedicated to you, our mentors, guides, and role models.
Music has the power to heal, inspire, and connect hearts. But when it comes from the heart of our teacher, it is a gift beyond measure. We are truly blessed to have Praveen sir, who not only teaches us, but also fills our lives with the magic of music. Today, his students are going to present a soulful vocal performance for all of us. Please welcome them with gratitude and a big round of applause.
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತೊಲಗಿಸು ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಗುರುನಿಂದ
Praveen sir. That was really amazing. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. To begin our cultural celebration, let's experience the devotion, the grace, and the discipline of classical art. Just like our teachers who with every step bring rhythm and meaning into our lives, let's give them a big round of applause and welcome them on stage.
Tandanna tanana, tanana tanana, tandanna tanana, tanana tanana, tandanna tanana, Rayana, tandanna, Narayana, tandena. Tandanna tanana, tanana tanana, tandanna tanana, tanana tanana, tandanna tanana, Rayana.
ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೂವಿ ಬಲಿದ ಕವಲು ನಾಮ ಕೊಲಿದ
ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೂವಿ ಬಲಿದ ಕವಲು ನಾಮ ಕೊಲಿದ
ಸೋಲಿಗರ ಬಾಲೆ ಬಲಿದ ರಂಗಧಾಮ ತಂದನ್ನ
ನಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದೇನ ಆಧಾರವಾಗೋ ದೊರೆಯೇ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣನೇ ಆಧಾರವಾಗೋ ದೊರೆಯೇ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣನೇ ವೇದನಗಿರಿ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ತಂದನ್ನ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದೇನ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನನ ತಂದನ ತಾನನ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನನ ತಂದನ ತಾನನ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನನ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದನ್ನ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದೇನ
ಆನುಮಲೆ ಜೇನುಮಲೆ ಗುಂಜುಮಲೆ ಗುಲಗಂಜುಮಲೆ 77 ಮಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ತಪ್ಪದ ನಲಿದು ನಾಟ್ಯವಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಲೆ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರನ ಪಾದಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಉಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿ ಮುಂಗೊಂಡಾದ ಮಾದೇವನವರು ಮುಂದಾಳ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಾಯಿ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಗಮಲ ಮಂಜುಗರಿದಾವೆ ಮುಂಗೊಂಡಾದ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮಾಯಾಕಾರ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮುಂಗೊಂಡಾದ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮಾಯಾಕಾರ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಅಯ್ಯ ಮುಂಗೊಂಡಾದ 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 ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮಾಯಾಕಾರ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮುಂಗೊಂಡಾದ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಮಾಯಾಕಾರ ಮಾದೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಯ್ಯ
Ramya ma'am for teaching such an amazing dance form.
Now it's time for a little thought about our passionate teachers by a student of 8, Danish. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
As you all know, today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. But who are teachers and what do they do? Teachers are not only the people who teach us subjects, they are the people who teach us how to shape our character. They guide us through challenges and prepare us for the future. They are like the guiding light which shows us how to lead our journey. Teachers are not just people who read out lessons from a textbook. They are the people who help us and inspire us to dream big, work hard and become better human beings in life. They are like the guiding light which shows us how to lead our journey in a room full of darkness. Think about it. Without teachers, no other profession is complete. Without teachers, there are no engineers, will be no doctors, there will be no lawyers. So today, as we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who once said, teachers are those who help the students think for themselves. On behalf of all the students, I would like to wish all the teachers present here a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Danish.
If classical dance is discipline, then fusion is creativity. It's just like how our teachers balance both tradition and innovation in our classrooms.
With vibrant moves and energetic spirits, let's welcome the next performers who will set the stage on fire with their fusion dance performance, a tribute to the passion our teacher holds in every lesson. Please give them a big round of applause.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha.
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा। देवा श्री गणेशा, 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 देवा श्री गणेशा। तेरी भक्ति तो वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है। बिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो, देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी, सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी। पाप की आंधियां लाख हो, कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी। अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहां रे जिस किसी ने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा। हे देवा श्री गणेशा, 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 देवा श्री गणेशा।
wonderful. Thank you, Deepa ma'am, for such a beautiful dance. Let's give them another huge round of applause.
Every teacher is like a candle that burns to light the way for others. Today, we take a moment to thank each one, such guiding lights present on this day. Now, let's listen to a talk by a student of 9th, Nihal, about her inspiring teachers. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I feel truly blessed to stand in front of you all and express my heartfelt gratitude. Today, I am on this stage because of constant guidance, support, and encouragement of my beloved teachers. Teachers are not just those who explain lessons from textbook. They inspire us, guide us, and motivate us to bring best of ourselves. Our social teacher took us into the stories of French Revolution and taught us history in a new way. Our maths teacher helped us face Euclid's geometry and taught us patience while solving problems. Our science teacher performed experiments and made concepts alive. Our English teacher helped us improve our language, confidence, and expression. Our Kannada teacher connected us with the roots of our culture. And of course, our PE teachers gave us discipline and energy on the field. I still remember those best moments where we all were hoping for a free period. PE teachers walked in. Class lit up with excitement. These small memories remind us every teacher plays a role in their own way in a student's life. So today I would like to thank all my teachers for believing in me and supporting me. In my life, whatever I achieve, a big part of credit belongs to you all. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Nihal, for such a meaningful speech. Let's give him another huge round of applause.
As our celebration draws to a close, let us all remember one thing. Our teacher is not remembered for the syllabus they've completed, but for the lives they've touched.
Yes, as a good teacher explains, a great teacher inspires, but the best teachers like you change lives forever.
To every teacher here, you
are our guiding stars, and we promise to carry your light wherever we go.
Today, we don't just celebrate Teachers' Day, we celebrate you, our everyday heroes.
On behalf of all students, I extend my greatest gratitude to every one of you present here, our mentors, our guides, and sometimes even our silent protectors. Thank you.
Now, let me take the pleasure to welcome our director, Joyita ma'am, on the stage with a huge round of applause.
All are happy today, isn't it? We love our teachers, isn't it? I too love my teachers a lot. And when I see you every day, loving us, all of us so much, I remember my childhood days also. At that time, I didn't know that I will also become a teacher. But when I used to go to school, or I used to handle the classes as class leader or school leader or school captain of sports, my teachers used to tell me, you will definitely become a teacher. Yes, this profession gives us a lot of love, loads of happiness every moment what we spend with all of you. You know what's the very, very interesting thing of being a teacher? You don't know? Okay, let me share that secret with you. You know, our parents are always loving us. All my relatives, all your relatives are always loving us. But imagine of your teacher. In KG1 or in Montessori 1, the teacher who was there, your teacher, she or he will love you whole life, isn't it? Then next year, till now, all the teachers are teaching you will always remain your teacher for whole life. Whole life you will be having more and more teachers to love you, more and more people to love you, without any other blood relation, without anything. You be mischievous, you be very good, your teachers will always love you. Isn't that a great secret of life? Yes. So we celebrate every day with you, but this is a special day. This we celebrate as Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, as our Teachers' Day. Today is like the birthday celebration of every teacher. You celebrate the birth of a teacher in us every year when you celebrate Teachers' Day with us. And we, on behalf of everybody, I want to tell you that we are so thankful that you have come to our lives. Thank you so much, and I wish you to have more and more love from your teachers. You enjoy every day with your teachers. You love them, you respect them, and all the teachers love you so much. And I love you too also. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy every moment. Thank you.
Ma'am, for such an inspiring talk. Let us give it a big round of applause.
Ma'am, we will keep your words in our hearts forever. Thank you for enlightening us with such wonderful words.
If students are the building, teachers are the pillars. Happy morning, everyone. My name is P. Tanmay Prabhu from class 9A. And today, it is a very special day. Do you all know what day it is? Exactly. It's Teachers' Day. And today, class 9A has planned and arranged some games and activities for this special occasion. Let's remind ourselves of the importance and value of this day to cherish and celebrate our teachers and their efforts. Education is very important, and our educators are none other than our beloved teachers. Even in Sanskrit, we respect our teachers with some simple but powerful words. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. With this, we learn that our teachers are a form of God Brahma themselves. So now let me introduce you guys to the games that we have planned. They are: guess the teacher's name with emoji, stack and run, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and finally, rapid fire. So now, let's start with our first game. And I would like to hand over my mic to Samita and Ganavi, who are in charge and will be hosting this game.
We are here with a fun and exciting game that is nothing but guess the teacher's name.
So, we request the teachers to divide themselves
Into 4 divisions according primary, pre-primary, middle school, seniors and co-curriculars. Yeah, we would like the teachers to sit according to their divisions.
Simple. You have to guess the teacher's name using the. You have to guess the teacher's name using the emojis. So we hope you enjoy it.
Let's begin.
Pushpalata ma'am. Jolly ma'am. Thank you.
Ratna ma'am. Sriraksha ma'am. Jnanesh sir.
Vidya.
Jnanesh sir.
Mosam ma'am.
The father's name of the main character in the movie.
Kashyap sir. Kashyap sir. Kashyap sir.
Praveen sir. Supreet sir. Movie from Soho and Preet.
Thank you.
I'm Aisri of grade 9
And I'm Unnati of grade 9th.
and we are here and we are back with a fun game for you all. Pre-primary teachers, please, teachers.
5 teachers from pre-primary.
Senior division, 5
Five
teachers.
teachers.
And primary division, 5 teachers.
So our senior division teachers are going to start the game first. Encourage for our senior division teachers, please. Ready, get, set, go, teachers.
Senior division teachers have completed this game in 53 seconds.
Give them a huge round of applause.
And are you excited to know how much minutes or seconds did pre-primary teachers have finished?
Any guesses?
So they have finished in 50 seconds. I request Vihan to give away the prizes.
I hope teachers you guys had fun and thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
To continue the next game, which is head, shoulder, knees and toes.
So, are you all excited? Teachers, are you all excited?
I would like to call teachers from co-curricular batch and middles batch. Any 4 teachers, please. Teachers who wants to play. Come on, teachers.
Come on.
Mohan sir, Hari sir, please come on to the stage.
Yes, Mohan sir and Hari sir, please come on stage.
One more teacher from middle batch. One teacher, please.
Nitin sir.
sir, we would like to call you up on the stage. Nitin sir. 3, 2, 1. Shoulders. Knees. Toe. Head. Pick.
Wasn't it wonderful?
From this, we get to know that teachers have high reflexes. Be careful.
So, did you all enjoy this game? So, now I would hand over the mic to Tanmay for a very unique activity.
So, let it begin.
So now let me call upon our beloved sports captain, Dhruv Sanchan from class 9A, who is going to explain the rules for this game.
Today, the spotlight shines on not on kings or celebrities, but the beloved architects of our society, our beloved teachers. So, today, it's not just a celebration. It's a tribute, a salute, and a standing ovation for our beloved teachers. May I request each and every student to please get up and give a standing ovation for our teachers. Give a standing ovation. Now I would request all the students to please sit down and be ready for this wonderful, pure, talented activity. So now, fasten your seat belts for this wonderful activity. Hold your hands together and welcome 9th A for a wonderful activity, Rapid Fire. And this is for our beloved English teachers.
English teachers, your vocabulary is so strong, even the dictionary feels jealous.
You not only teach us grammar and stories, but you give us the power to turn words into wings and ideas into magic.
And now, this is for our beloved Kannada teachers.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಲೇಖಕ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಓ ಹೀಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಾ.
ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗುರುವಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು. ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸತ್ಯ, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಿತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಸದಾ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಕಾರಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now, this is for our beloved Hindi teachers.
Dear teachers, your love for language and grammar is so sharp that even scissors feel jealous.
You connect us to the roots of our culture and the fragrance of our literature.
Now, this is for our beloved maths teachers.
Every problem has a solution except our excuses. Thank you, thank you.
You taught us every problem has a solution in maths and also in real life.
And now, this is for our beloved physics teachers.
To all the physics teachers out there, sometimes we drop things in the name of gravity, but we give excuses that we also dropped our marks.
You showed us that the laws of nature is not just equations or formulas. It is the truths which guide our life.
Thank you all.
This is for our beloved chemistry teachers.
We have learned that matter has mass and occupies space, and so does our homework.
Matters change its state, so has we grow and change.
This is for our beloved biology teachers.
Your diagrams are like Leonardo da Vinci or Picasso, the greatest artist of all time. But our diagrams are like cauliflowers.
You don't just teach us cell, systems and about other of our body, but you also teach us about the beauty of life.
And now, this is for our beloved social science teachers.
Social science exam is so hard that even people like Alexander the Great and Hitler will surrender.
Through history, we learn the strength of the past. Through geography, we learn the beauty of the world. Through civics, we learn the fundamental rights. And through economics, we learn that why our pocket money is never enough. And now, this is for our beloved PE teachers.
If maths homework is incomplete, no problem. If projects are incomplete, no problem. If P period is cancelled, World War III begins!
Books just gives knowledge. P period gives more fun and adds more memories. So we love P period forever!
This is for our beloved dance teachers.
Dance teachers, when you tell us to have serious expressions on our face looks like cartoon characters.
With every step, you teach us patience. With every rhythm, you teach us focus. With every performance, you teach us life. Thank you.
Now, this is for our beloved IT teachers.
When you ask us to apply logic, we feel like we have not applied oil to our hair. Then how can we apply logic?
You don't just teach us coding, you teach us life values, step by step like an algorithm. And now, this is for our beloved drama teachers.
When you asked us for serious expressions, we ended up looking like we lost our lunch boxes.
You turn our stage fear into stage power and a silence into a voice that the world can hear. And now, this is for our beloved music teachers.
You're the only reason why our class chorus sounds like music, but not like a zoo.
You don't just teach us songs, but you also teach us our voice and inner beauty. Thank you.
And now, this is for our beloved keyboard teacher.
You teach us to play low notes, but we feel like it's rocket science.
You just don't teach us notes, but also that life too has highs and lows. But together, that's what makes music beautiful.
This is for our beloved art teacher.
You ask us to draw human sketches, but our drawings look like potatoes with hands and legs.
You don't just teach us to paint, but you also teach us to see the world with imagination and creativity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is for our beloved ballet teachers.
Knowledge builds character and values build us. And our teachers make sure we fail in nothing, but except for maybe keeping quiet.
Value education teachers does not teach lessons. Instead, they teach us values for our rest of our life. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is for our beloved library teacher.
Your superpower makes 100 noisy students silent just by hands on the finger.
You make us
Fingers on the lips.
You make us love the words of the dictionary, books, every single word we read.
And now, this is for our beloved coordinators.
You're the bridge between students and teachers. You carry stress and work tirelessly just to give us the success that we proudly celebrate.
This is for our beloved chief coordinators.
To all the chief coordinators out there, you guys are just not like leaders, but you also are like compasses in which you give us directions into what we should do. And you people give us directions not just to go here and there, but directly to our goals. And you people just make our normal day-to-day activities be huge achievements for us, and you make us feel like we're winners every single day. So a huge round of applause to all our chief coordinators. Thank you.
And this is for our beloved principal ma'am. Ma'am, your discipline builds our confidence, your vision builds our future, and your smile builds our courage. You know what? Our principal's smile is like the Wi-Fi of the school. It connects everyone instantly. Ma'am, your smile is the first lesson of the day. It teaches us confidence, kindness, and hope. Thank you, ma'am. And now, it's time for our beloved chairman, sir.
Chairman sir, just like I had said, you are the pillar of this school who support every single student and teacher. So we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude towards you. A huge round of applause for our Chairman sir, Chaitanya sir.
And this is the end of the show. So now I would like Aisiri and Sri Krishna to come forward and tell the vote of thanks.
Teachers, you taught us, you gave us knowledge and manners which no app, no Google or no AI can ever give.
Teachers are not just educators, they're dreamers of our dream, they're builders of our future. Today, I would like to take this stage and say proudly, thank you teachers for never giving up on us. Thank you.
Thank you teachers for all your support.